Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so had some destruction on the board earlier today. Um, Man, just got paddling out at the beach and supper came. It was hanging out on the inside, which was a little bit unexpected. And then yeah, totally came flying down at me, and I just had to like throw my board. So I was like, fuck it, and totally nailed my board. Tried to move it out of the way, but there was just nothing I could do. Yeah, anywho, so now I have a fun ding to repair. Let's go check it out. Massive gouge from the fin on that sup. Brutal. Totally shredded the gnar. Real nasty. So I'm gonna repair this thing today. I'm gonna play around. I'm just gonna clean it up actually today, and then I'll probably let it just dry out, I'm guessing, for the night. Alright, I think that'll be pretty good. First patch going down. It's not super pretty, but it's gonna do. Aloha, bye. Alright, well, that's that for now. We'll come back to this in a couple hours. Alright guys, let's see what it looks like after day one of the epoxy drying on my beat up foamy. It's looking pretty gnarly still, but I mean, better than what it was yesterday. Should be able to hopefully put a little bit of foam on here, maybe, is what I'm thinking. And that'll hopefully just smooth it out. I mean, otherwise I'm just gonna fill it with epoxy, but it actually worked pretty well for super sketchy fix job. Let's see how the other board looks. Looks good. Gonna give these boards another 24 hours at least to totally make sure that epoxy sets nice. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to put some kind of like foam maybe on this little spot right here that's missing. So see if I can find something around the house that's maybe usable, or yeah, just want to make it smooth so that I don't fuck myself up when I'm surfing. Alright guys, well, that was the update. Back to work. See you later.